Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make this bracelet. This is what we call the Iora bracelet. We will have a kit available for this on Etsy. We'll put the link down below, or you can buy it ready-made from our Etsy site. If you don't see it there, just message us and we'll make sure it's up. If you like our tutorials, please subscribe. And now we will start. Today we need, these are size 10 seed beads. Then we have we're going to make this in red. These are 3mm bicones. And then we have 4mm glass pearls. And we're going to start out with about 3.5 feet of our beading thread. And this is a 2-needle design. So I have threaded 2 needles on my thread. And we will start out by making this little loop right here that our jump ring hangs on. So for that, I will get 10 of the seed beads on one of my needles. So there's 10. So now we put this halfway down the thread, and then we're going to loop around and put the needle right through all of the beads all over again. And then when we tighten it, it'll make a little loop. I want to make sure it's partway down so the threads are about the same size. So I'll put my needles together and pull it. And so now I've got 2. I'm going to go around a 3rd time. So that just makes it nice and sturdy. So now I am back around. So this is where it started. So now the 2 threads are coming out on beads that are right next to each other, but I want this one in the next 2 beads. So I will go ahead and pull that through. And there is our start. And now, so we have the little loop. So now we have 2 different sides. So the first side, as you can see, what I will do with the first side is I will get 4 of the seed beads, 1 of the crystals, and then another seed bead. So I will get 4, followed by a crystal, and then 1 more. That all the way up. The next one, I'm going to start with 1 seed bead, the crystal, and then I'm going to come all the way down and I'm going to get 6 on it. So we get 1, pick up a crystal, and then I need 6. So there's 6. Pull them down, and then the thread from the other side is going to cross at the last 2 seed beads. Okay, So now we have that round loop. So now what I need to do is to go back up and create this little diagonal with the pearl. So I'm going to take the thread that's going up this side. I'm going to go up 3 more beads. So there will be 1 bead left before the crystal. So I'll go up here. I will put on one of the 4mm pearls. And now I'm going to come to the other side. So I've gone up 3. Now I'm going to pick up 1 just above the red crystal on the other side. And I'm going to go through that and the red crystal. Let's pull these tight again. Okay, there we go. Now that nestles in, and now I want to go through 3 seed beads. And you fiddle around till you get that laying just right. And now we're ready for the next group. So on this needle, we do exactly what we did here. So that's pick up 4 seed beads, a crystal, and then 1 more. Then the other side, we pick up 1 seed bead, and then the crystal, and then we pick up 6 more. And now take the other needle and we go through the last 2 seed beads. Pull them tight, and then the needle that's coming out on this side, we're going to go up through 3 seed beads, pick up the pearl, and then I'm going to come over to the other side, and the seed bead directly above the crystal, I'm going to go through that. And then I need to go through 3 seed beads. And there we have the second one. And I'm going to be doing 13 of these, so I will keep going until it's done. And then I'll show you how to finish it off. And now it's time to put on my last ring. And since I already have 2 seed beads here that are going to be part of the ring, I just need to pick up 8 more. So there's 8. Now what I'm going to do is when I get here, I'm going to go ahead and just tie this off, the 2 strings together. Something's going on here. tighten down. And now, just like the first side, I'm going to go around this loop to reinforce what the jump ring will attach to, so it's nice and strong. So now I'm just going to go down this side. So that my string just gets cut off further down. Okay. And then this side, I will pick up and I will go around one more time for strength. And then this too, I'll go down through a few. And now it's ready to cut off. Remove my needles. Okay, so now here's the bracelet all ready for jump rings. I've already opened the jump rings, so I'll put one side through my little loop of beads and put one side of my clasp on. This again is my little ball and socket clasp. Makes it fairly easy to put on. So I'll put that through. Whoops. Now I'll grab my jump ring on both sides. Get it up in it tight. Looks good. Can't get my fingernail down through there. And now I will take the other side. Okay. That's nice and tight. So there is the finished bracelet. Remember, if you like our tutorials, please subscribe. That will help us out. And our kits will be available at the link below the description. Thank you for watching.
So you figure it out.